December. Now listen to me. My name is Khánh Huyền. It is spelled Dutch. KHANHHUYEN. I am 22 years old. I was born on December 18th, 2003. I am a fourth-year student of fashion design at the University of Arts and Design. There are 4 people in my family: my father, my mother, my older sister, and me. Now, I am 157 centimeters tall and weigh 47 kilograms. My phone number is 03631. My father is 72 years old. He is very kind and responsible. My father was born on October 1st, 1954. Next, my mother is 53 years old. My mother is very fun and responsible. My mother worked primary school teacher. She was born on October 4th, 1973. My sister is 29 years old. My sister is very kind and hardworking. My sister was born on October 1996. My sister likes cooking for our family. Finally, I am only person in my family who was born on December. I thank you for listening. Bye bye.